Hey, it's Naturally TC coming at you with this comb twist finger coil video. My client has recently chopped off her hair, so she did the big chop, and what we're going to do is go in and do some comb twists. I'm actually going to use my fingers on some of the areas that are a little bit longer, but I tried to get the best view for you guys as possible. I know I'll still be blocking a little bit, but guess what? I have a zoom in coming up, so stay tuned. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. So I'm taking the end of my comb, and this comb is, if you see it, like one end is bigger than the other one, so I'm using the small side of the comb. I don't have a particular comb that I like to use, just something small where I can really get in there. I had a friend just recently buy me some braid combs, which are great for partying. I'm sorry I don't know the artist that she bought them from, but they are really great. They're purple, so you guys might even know, even though I don't know. So as you can see, like the hair is getting longer, so I'm able to grab it and twist it with the comb and then twist it with my finger. The reason why I like twisting with my finger, because I can really pull through on that end part and make sure the ends are nice and uniform. But either way actually works, as long as you pull the comb all the way through to the end. So yeah, I'm applying the gel to her hair. I'm actually using Design Essentials. I don't know if they call it curling putty, but it's Design Essentials gel. And I'm taking that hair and I'm twisting it with my finger, pulling it all the way to the end. And see, those partings are super small, guys. So I'm not making big parties. I'm just kind of snatching a little hair every now and then. This one, I even have to make it a little bit smaller. You can either use the comb or use your fingers to twist it, and there you go. But just take note of how small the partings are so that you don't have like these big spaces. She's not going to lock this up. I mean, we talked about it, but I don't really think that she's going to do it. So she should be cool, because if she was to lock this up, they would be super tiny, almost looking like, what do you call those small ones? Sister locks. When they're like super small, the partings are small, they're thin, and you tend to have a lot more locks than normal. So yep, so continue watching the video. I don't have too much to add to this, but you watch and see, and then you do it. All right, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Naturally TC. I appreciate each and every one of you, like for real. I appreciate y'all watching my videos.
And Josiah's here.
And Josiah's here. Goodbye.